It's really important for us to build a digital foundation so we can improve customer experience. And now you're looking at thousands to tens of thousands of customers. So in order to service that broad base of customers, how do we have a system and our platform in place to really serve at scale is why we selected Adobe. I think Adobe's approach of building a platform that's integrated, that improves the sharing of data across them is really important. So in analytics, we've created a tremendous amount of segments where we understand what type of account somebody is, what types of products they're interested in, and now that's available to us in Target as soon as we publish that audience. And now we can start personalizing experiences. The way we've built components in Adobe Experience Manager, the marketing team can respond to a business unit requirement and push a change live within 10 minutes. With the Adobe Experience Manager, having an integrated DAM and tag management system is really powerful. Now you could integrate a third-party DAM and a third-party tag, but that adds more overhead. So having everything in one system has enabled our team to really just centralize that management. So we're able to preview changes almost instantaneously before we publish them live. And that tag infrastructure is now available in analytics, so we can not just look at URL-based views, but also tag-based views for a product line or what's a key customer doing, and have all that insight available to us. What we saw was by having this better intelligence, we could send the same number of leads, but see a 35% improvement in conversion. So what we're starting to do now is experiment with Sensei to be able to dynamically modify what products are highlighted for different audiences. Having great products makes people want to come experience you, right? And what we want to do is build amazing technology that serves the Internet of Things, and when somebody comes to our website or uses our desktop development environments, we're giving you an experience that lets you successfully go to market and succeed in your end product market.